Okay, so I'm asking the question to the class as the students. We just interviewed the teachers of these 3 lessons, and then we're asking the students basically what was the major difference for them? What was their reflection of the Common Core lesson versus the kind of the status quo teacher-directed lessons that we've been doing with the workbook and textbook? So, Gian, what was your reflection of what was your reflection of these Common Core lessons?
I think it was a little different because...
A little different or a lot different?
I think it was pretty different because they each made, in the group, we each made one of the little plates. And
what'd you do in the other 3, the first 3 lessons where you did the workbooks and stuff, what'd you make?
We made those.
No, the first 3 lessons that you did,
Nothing.
You did nothing? Okay.
We didn't really make anything, but we were just doing pencil and paper.
Do you think it adds to the learning when you actually create something yourself and use it yourself, or do you think it makes no difference? Or
I think it adds to learning.
Okay, it's your own personal opinion. Okay, Nova, what was your reflection of that?
I think the textbooks were a little bit easier.
Easier, but did it extend your thinking more? Remember, we're trying to go deeper here, not just do surface level thinking. We're trying to make you think a little bit more as an individual and get deeper understanding. Which one led to your more of an in-depth understanding of this? Which one?
The textbook.
For you, the textbook. Okay. Chris, what's your reflection of this?
I think all 3 groups were pretty challenging.
Pretty challenging, okay, but what's your reflection of this Common Core type lesson versus the textbook, workbook lesson?
That this group, Jaden's group, was more crafty.
Hands-on?
Yeah.
Hands-on, did that engage your thinking more? Do you think you may have learned more doing it this way as opposed to paper, pencil?
Yes.
Yeah, for you? Okay.
I think that the textbook one was a bit better than this.
Why?
Because, like this one, it was like confusing and I didn't really... Yeah.
Confusing just because it was different, or confusing because you didn't learn anything?
I didn't understand it.
You didn't understand the concept they were trying to get across?
I didn't understand the Common Core.
Okay, but did you not understand the concept? When all is said and done, you went through 3 rotations, did you finally, at the end, and you've got your plate in front of you, do you now understand the 3 types of angles and all that business?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you think you actually had a deeper understanding doing it this way, even though it was challenging?
No.
No, okay, not for you. Okay, last one. Jared?
I thought, like, when we made the paper plate thing...
It was very active in the room. It was very busy.
I think when I made the paper plate thing and when I played the game when I was done with Jaden
Yeah?
and Jaren's group, we had to look
Yeah.
all those things. I thought those were pretty easy.
Pretty easy. Okay, so do you feel like you had a deeper understanding of angles after you got done doing the 3 groups?
Yep.
As opposed to paper and pencil?
Yep.
Yeah, so for you, Common Core was successful. You liked the... Now, did you feel like it took away from your learning because maybe it was a little noisier, or were you able to focus and concentrate?
You missed it. Yes.
Yeah, you were? It did no problem for you. Okay. Now, last one, Marcus. What was your reflections of this type of lesson?
It was kind of different because we weren't using the textbooks and we weren't using the self-check quiz on the computer.
Well, and what was your ability to focus during this time? How did it affect your ability to focus?
Because we didn't use the textbooks because sometimes the textbook helps us.
Okay. Well, did you get a deeper understanding doing it this way?
Yeah.
For you?